Hello students. Last class we had studied what is Visual Basics and what is VBA. Today let us study VBA IDE. VBA IDE, the Visual Basics Integrated Development Environment. So this IDE stands for Integrated Development Environment. So it consists of a menu bar, toolbar, toolbox, form, project explorer and properties window. So where all these IDs lie? So these file, edit, view, so these are the menu bars, and here you can find some icons for like saving option and undo option, pause, play. So these are the toolbars. Here in this you can find a toolbox for changing the format of the text, like italic to Times New Roman and small caps, alphabets and many more options in this toolbox. And here you can find the project explorer. In this you can add many VB projects in a single project. Here you can find a properties window where you can change the background color, border, styling, and these are all can be done in this, can be changed in your properties window. This is your form layout window where the forms are created. So this is your form layout window. So let us study these things in detail. Menu bar, it contains the various menus with the command used for developing VB application. So for developing an VB application, you can find many commands in the menu bar. Toolbar, it contains the most frequently used tools required to create and run forms and code in the VB environment. So it contains most frequently used, like you may be using a styling like italic you'll be using, and you can change it to Times New Roman. So these are some of the tools which are available in the tool, like very common. So saving, undo option. So these are the toolbar options. Project Explorer, it displays the various worksheets, modules and forms created in the current Excel project. So in the current project, what are all the worksheets, modules, forms that are being done in your project, it will be showing that. Toolbox, it contains set of controls used to design a form in VB. As said before, it will be having a styling like italic to Calibria or Times New Roman. You can change in small letters to capital letters like this in this toolbox. Properties window, it is used to display and edit the various characteristics of the selected objects and their values. So you can change the background color, border, styling. So all the styling properties are available in this properties window. Form layout window, the form is the primary building block of the Visual Basic application. So it is the primary block, so it is the main thing of the Visual Basic application. The controls and the codes related to the form are created in the form layout window. So the things which you need, the coding or what are all the related things related to the form you create is seen in the form layout window. Adding a new form. How to add a new form? There it can be added in 3 different ways. So let us see how it can be done. First, click on the Insert User Form tool in the toolbar. In the toolbar, you can see this icon, Insert User Form. So by clicking on this, you can add a new form. Or one more method is click on the Insert menu in the menu bar and select the user form option. So in the menu bar you'll have an insert menu. So in that, when you click, you will get a sub option as user form. By clicking on it, you can add a new form, or just right click on the project name in the project explorer. Here at the right side you can see the project explorer. Just clicking right click on your project name, you can insert it. So, and click on insert command option from the menu. So when you right click, you get an menu saying many things, and in that insert, when you select insert, you can add a new form. Select the user form option from the sub menu. Okay, so these are the ways you can insert a new form. So next, how to run this form. Once we design and create the form, we need to execute or run the form. So it can be done in 3 ways. So let us see how. Click on the run menu in the menu bar and select the run sub or user form option from the menu. So click on the run menu in the menu bar and click on the run sub menu user form. This is the sub menu. So in that, select the run sub / user form. So by clicking on this, you can run your form, or just pressing the function key F5 in the keyboard, you can run the form, or click on the run sub form tool. So this is the symbol of run sub user form, which is available in the toolbar. This is the menu bar. So here below that you have a toolbar. In that, this symbol represents the run sub or user form tool. So by clicking on this, you can run your form. Next, after running, how to save your forms. Let us see. Each form in the VB project can be exported and saved as a separate file with the extension .frm. So this .frm is very important. By seeing the extension, the system gets to know it is of the file is of the form of VB form. We can export the file in 3 ways. Right click on the form name in the project explorer. So at the right side you can see the project explorer. Just right click on the project name and click on the export file option. You will have an export file option. Click on it, or click on the file menu in the menu bar and select the export file option. So in the menu bar, the first menu is your file menu. So click on it, you will get a sub menu options. So in that, click on file export option, or you can just do it by press the shortcut key Control plus M. Simultaneously you have to do Control plus M. On holding Control button, just pressing the M in the keyboard, you can export the form. So choose the folder and entire file name in the export file dialog and click on the save button. So you can select which are all the forms you need to export, and then selecting the forms which are required and click on the save button. The form will be saved in the form of extension .frm. So this is very important, .frm, the extension. Next, this exported form can be reused by importing it into other VB projects. We can import a form into another VB project in 3 ways. So how it will be done? Right click on the form name or the project name in the project explorer and click on the import file option. So in this project explorer, right click on this project explorer on the project name and click on the import file option. Click on the file menu in the menu bar and select the import file option. So in the menu bar, the first menu is only a file option. So clicking on the file, you get a sub menu. In that, click on the import file option, or just by pressing a shortcut key Ctrl plus E in the keyboard. So for exporting it is Ctrl plus M, for importing Ctrl plus E. So choose the folder and files in the import file dialog box and click on the open button. The imported form will appear under the project name in the project explorer. So in which project explorer you want, select the forms which are required, so then it will be important to the project name which you want, under which project name you want in the project explorer. Next, saving the VB project. To save the VB project in Excel, the file has to be saved with the file type Excel macro enabled workbook with the extension XLSM. So this is very important, .xlsm. You have to save the file in the form of XLSM. We can save the VB project in Excel in 3 ways. Click on the file menu in the menu bar and select the save option. Click on the save toolbar. So this is the save tool in the toolbar. It can be seen in the toolbar. Press the shortcut key Ctrl plus S. Ctrl plus S for saving, Ctrl plus S in the keyboard. Choose the folder and enter the file name in the Save As dialog box and select the Excel macro enabled workbook option from the file type drop box. Click on the save button. So like this you can save the VB project.